In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your Xbox Fortnite account to PS5. So make sure to watch till the end so you do not miss any important steps. And if you are looking for discounts on PS5 games and accessories, you can check out the links in the description below. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first open up any browser and search for Fortnite. Then go to this website, fortnite.com, Fortnite's website. And once you're on the website, in the top right side you will see this your profile icon. Go here, click on it and sign in, and after that click on account. Now here in the bottom left side you will see apps and accounts. Click on it, and here you will see your Xbox. Click on connect, wait for it to load, and then click on connect account. Again wait for it to load, and here sign in with your Xbox Fortnite account, and you will and your Xbox Fortnite account will be connected to PS5. So this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching.